I am Siva Prasad, working as an associate professor in CSE department, Guntur Engineering College. In this class, we are going to discuss about use case views in Sadp Lab. This is experiment 2, use case view. What is use case or use case view? Everyone knows that use case diagram is a simple representation between the users and the interaction with the system, and it shows the relationship between the users and different use cases. So first we need to identify what are the various users, and you need to identify various use cases. So see the problem. Design the use case view risk analysis, weather mapping system use case views. You see, in this lab session, we need to analysis of the weather mapping system, that is WMS, and it requires of WMS summarized as in the separate document. Use case modeling, identify the actors involved in this problem. Next one is evaluate the needs that must be addressed by the system, and create the main use case diagram in star UML by putting the use case weightages. Okay, the risk analysis. The risk analysis part is most important in the development of WMS. The change management is the major risk case. The change means failure to handle properly for the instance changes in the product requirements may lead to the overall project failure. So this is the very important aspect of the use case diagram, especially for our weather mapping system. Next one, we use case effect subtree, the risk hierarchy that will lead to the materialization of the risk. Okay, next, not all use cases are architecturally significant. First you need to identify what are the quality of the requirements, then collect the data regarding those aspects and specify previously used models. Solution for this weather mapping system use case. First you need to identify what are the actors involved in this. First actor, operator. Operator means a person who is responsible for the maintenance of weather mapping system. Weather mapping system operator. Next one is consumer and final user. A person who uses the needs of weather information produced by the system. Next, third one, weather instrument. Weather sensors related to weather stations used to collect raw weather data. It contains some sensors. Next, pollution instrument. It also has sensors. It is to collect air data for pollution monitoring. Instruments, generalization of weather and pollution sensors. Digitized map database, an existing database containing maps information. These are the actors involved in the weather mapping system use case analysis, risk analysis system. Consider the following needs that must be addressed by the system study. So the consumer actor needs to use the system to view printout weather map. That means what are the actors and what are their activities. Consumer just use the system just like an end user. He doesn't know about working of the system, just he want to generate the reports whatever he want. Next one, weather source collect. It is a machine which contains some sensors. It is to collect the weather related information with the help of some set of sensors. Next, the area computer validate. It immigrates the activities and data collect and the process the weather maps. Digitized map database. It provides the mapping information needed to produce local weather maps. Operator actor manages and maintains the system. He is to operate the system. Area computer monitors the weather sources for the startup and shutdown and for the instrument testing and calibrations of the activities. Needs. What are the needs of this system? So these are the some use cases to be identified. Startup, shutdown, collect data, calibrate, test, validate, integrate, archive, process map, display, print as. These are the use cases on the weather mapping system. Use case documentation. It consists of a brief description of the purpose of the use cases. So for instance, how to collect the use case and what are the operator of the system starts this use case, etc. Okay, thank you.